What's up, YouTube people? Today I got a really quick install video for you. We're going to be installing the tunnel light turn signal indicators for basically any Subaru that has the turn signals in the back of the mirrors. So if you find this video helpful, please remember to subscribe, and let's jump into the install. Alright people, as far as the install goes, I've got some tools. You got some trim tools, a Phillips head screwdriver, and small flat blade. You don't have to have a trim tool, but it does help to get some of these plastic pieces off. As far as the first thing goes, take your trim tool, get this corner, pop it on the lower cover, pops right off. Take it again on the upper cover, get 2 pops, get it right there. Then you got these 2 screws on your turn signal, upper and lower. Just take them off. Oh, come on out there. All right. Then you got this black piece right here. It's got these 2 button heads on it. I've already removed this once, so mine are already broke, but you take your flathead screwdriver and you get it underneath the lip right here, and this thing just pops right off. So it's no big deal on that part. Then you take the clear piece, the tunnel light indicator itself. It's got these 2 little poles on it. You just line them back up on the post. Pops right into place, and then we reinstall the covers and the turn signal itself. Put the upper cover back on. And then the lower cover. And you just see it just snaps right back into place. So we'll take a look at the finished product. As you can see, the finished product, you got a nice little clear area here where there was just a black square to begin with. Just let you be able to see your turn signal a little bit better, lets traffic see it behind you a little bit better. So I'll say it's just a little unique feature that you can do for your Subaru. But that pretty much wraps up the install. Thanks for watching.